Hey guys, the girl Kinky Amy. Welcome back to my channel. You already know this channel is here to help you grow a healthy and long natural hair. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and clicking notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So on today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys 5 tips on how to make your knotless braid last longer. So if your braid haven't been actually lasting longer for you, these tips will definitely help you because they have helped me. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into the video. So the first tip I'll be sharing with you guys that will help your braids last longer is covering your hair at night before going to bed. Now you make sure you use your satin scarf or your silk scarf or your satin bonnet to cover your hair at night before going to bed. This will actually help to reduce freezes and it will keep your hair moisturized at night. So make sure you're covering your hair at night to avoid freezes and dryness on your braid. It will help make your braid last longer. So the next tip I'll be sharing with you guys is cut down your wash routine. Now you don't necessarily need to wash your braids when they are in. You can actually use dry shampoo or apple cider vinegar to clean your scalp. Your scalps are the most important thing. Okay, so make sure you're cleansing your scalp rather than just washing the whole hair and the whole braid. When you wash them like that, it will cause freezes on your hair. Like freezes come to your braid and making them not to look neat or even look newer, because you need your braids to last longer. So you have to cut down on your wash day routine. Okay, so that brings me to tip number 3, which is keep your braids moisturized. Now you can do this by using your favorite hair oil and your hairspray. This will help keep your hair soft and shiny. So if you'd like to see a video on how I moisturize my braids, let me know in the comment section below and I'll do that. Okay, so make sure your hair is moisturized. It will help reduce frizz, it will help reduce breakage and dryness for you, and it will keep your braid fresh always. Okay, and make it last longer. So make sure you keep it moisturized. So the fourth tip I'll be giving to you guys is reduce the updos and the pulling and high manipulation, because if you consistently pull your hair or keep them in a particular style for a very long time, those places will become weaker than the other part of your hair. Okay, and thereby making your hair to look old. Make sure you limit the amount of times you put your hair in an updo. Okay, make sure, not like you won't do it, but do it once or twice in a week. That will really help keep your hair in for a longer time. Okay, so the last tip I'll be giving to you guys is do a regular touch-ups. Now you know that your braids at the edges, that front and the back side of your hair, are the first to always get rough. Okay, you don't necessarily need to go to a salon to do this. You can do this yourself. You can just lose a few rows and redo them, okay, to make them fresh again. So make sure you do this once in a month at least. If you need your hair to last longer, just do this. It will look new again. Okay, this will also help you save some money that you have to spend at the salon. You can do it yourself. It's very easy. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it is helpful to you, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and share this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and check out this 2 video by the side, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.